What's your name?
My name is Phúc.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, today I'm very well. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Me too. Nice to meet you.
My name is you.
Okay, today we have a test. Are you ready?
Go.
Go. Okay, look at here and answer me. What animal is it?
Which is my dog?
What animal is it?
Which is my cow?
What animal is it?
Which is my chicken?
What animal is it?
Which is my cat?
Oh, what color the cat?
Cat white.
Oh, really? So, what animal is it?
Which is my duck?
So, is the duck happy or is the duck sad?
Happy.
Happy, yeah. And what animal is it?
Which is my bird?
What color the bird?
But blue one.
What animal is it?
Which is my sheep?
What animal is it?
Which is my rabbit?
Oh, what does the rabbit have?
Rabbit. Rabbit. Right.
The rabbit has
Forest.
forest and
Julia.
two
Rice.
one
One egg.
one
One nose.
and
One mouth.
great job. Do you like the rabbit? Do you like the rabbit? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, what animal is it? What animal is it?
Which is my goat?
Pig.
Bee.
What animal is it? What animal is it?
Which is my coat?
Great job. Can you read it? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now animals on the farm.
Animals are fun. It's so fun. Many animals are fun. It's a lion, dragon, and forest.
Great job.
It's a yellow chicken. Yellow chicken and 2 legs. It's a white melon. White melon and 4 legs and 2 arms.
Great job.
It's a black goat. Black goat is one big man.
Great job.
It's a yellow duck. You're wonderful.
Okay, the yellow duck has 2 legs. Great job. Goodbye. Okay.